Hello everyone, welcome to another video in the series of learning English proverbs. In this particular video, we will be putting concentration on this particular proverb. A leopard can't change its spots. So if you observe the leopard here carefully, it has yellowish and black spots on it. This cannot be changed. Leopard cannot change it even if it wishes to. So what is its meaning and how can we use this particular proverb in our sentence to improve our communication? So in this video, we will be learning about it. So first of all, let me tell you that a leopard can change his spots is taken from a Bible and it has a biblical origin. Okay, and the meaning of the proverb a leopard can change his spots is the inherent trait in a person remains as they are even if they actively seek to change them. No matter if people actively look forward to change them, they cannot because the inherent traits, the traits or the characteristics of a person that was from the initial time will remain as it is. A person cannot be changed from it from inside despite they wish to change them, they cannot because some part of it will always remain on it. So in this particular sense, we can use this particular proverb: a leopard can't change its spots. Now let us use this particular proverb in our sentence. So a leopard can change its spots. Sentence 1. He keeps saying he is sorry and will never do it again, but he keeps going with other women. I guess a leopard can change his spots. So he says that he will not go with women anymore and he apologizes many times for going with girls or women. But after that, he keeps on going with other women because he cannot change his habit despite he wishes to. So in this particular sense, we can use a proverb leopard can change its spots. Now let us move to another sentence. Sentence 2. In example 2, we have a dialogue. So a son says, I want dad to go skydiving with me. And mom asks, why? Son says, it is fun and I want him to experience something new. And mom replies, oh son, a leopard can't change the spots. Your father has never gone skydiving before. He is not going to start now. Now, mother convinces son that father cannot change his mood or he is not interested in skydiving and he will not love that now as well, or he is not liking to start it because it is not his habit or it is not his inherent character that he loves to do. So a leopard can change spots. So this was a proverb for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I will be seeing you in another video with more exciting proverbs. Thank you so much for watching this video.